So here's the thing. Me and Cullen and all of us have noticed that there's this bird in the drain. Like, shine the light.
Yeah, we've all. There's a
Shine
bird.
the light. Shine the light.
There's a
and it went in
hole.
this little indent, and there's like a nest inside of there.
Make it like this.
So we don't do it yet. But we figure we're like, what if we like try to scare the birds? So we try to scare the birds. So Cullen's gonna make the loudest noise ever, and we're gonna see if we can hear it.
Come here,
We're gonna show the video.
Come on, guys.
All right, scream as loud as you can on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cackle! 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 That was amazing!
What did you think? What the heck?
Oh my gosh! That
What?
was amazing.
How many birds do you think there is in there?
I think 3 little birds. Let me try it again. Cackle! Cackle! Cackle!
Guess what? We made the whole entire story up. What do you think?
I hate y'all.